So the videos were too long. I separated them into two. So this is the second one, and we're going to be finishing up this journal in this second video, and let's go on with it. So I'll start putting things in. We've got lots of things to put in. I don't know if they're going to fit, they're going to fit in the pocket. So let's start with the cards. Oh, peanut butter bread. I think I want to try this. I haven't tried this. And this is cheese straws, and this is nut and raisin rolls. Is there another recipe? Let me see. I don't think so. Oh yeah, there is. So these are 4 recipes. I don't remember where they came from. Maybe they were luncheon rolls. So I'll just put 2 of these here and 2 of these here. Okay, let's move on to the next bucket that we made. Let's put some tags in. We have tags. We have this one, and we have, let's see, these tags, bigger ones, and these 3 are big ones. And then we have these smaller tags, some tags and some just cards. So of course one big one can go in there and one small one, as well as a card. Let's try the one at the back. So one big one, one small one, and a card. And then we have another one, same thing, a bigger one and a smaller one and a card. Do we have another one? Yes, we have another one. So we have cards left. Don't have any more bags. Oh yeah, I have one more bag, which has a hint on making angel food cake. And put this few things here. Now we have lots of ephemera left. You can see so much of it is left. So much beautiful cards with stitching all around. You can see it's a recipe card and stitching all around all of this. And I put a few things here. Let me use the bigger cards. And one at the back. I don't know what that was. Okay, one at the back, a postcard, and this. Let me also put a smaller card and a recipe card. Go in there, so 3 cards. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I just put some cards in each of them, and we'll just put them on with these clips. I'll just put this one. Since all of them have recipe cards, I'll put the recipe card in there. And then we can put some smaller cards. And let me put these. I'll put these in here. I'll show you these in here. So we have 4 of these. Let me put them here like this. Or let me put, since there's a lot of space here, right? So let me space it out like this so that the journal doesn't bulk up so much. So these are little fun things that you can play around with when you're making your heirloom recipe journal. You can put your favorite recipes in there, favorite family recipes in there, and you can pass them down on to your daughters or your sons if they like to cook. My son likes to cook, not cook, he likes to bake. So you can put in some of your favorite baking recipes. So here we go. We still have lots of space in the journal. Yeah, it's bulking up nice. I like it. I think that's it. Let me show you this little pouch I made. It closes up. It's too filled up right now, so it's not closing up properly, but just did some layering over here and here, like this. It's made from a paper bag, and you just open it up like this, and then I have lots of little things in there. Nothing much, it's just a paper bag, just the base of the paper bag, right? And then you just cut it up from here, and that's it. What a good idea it is, right? Okay, so lots of little things which will go in there. Things like this: eat, drink, and be merry. Lots of little tags and stuff you can use when you're filling up the journal with your favorite recipes. So these are some tags. You can tag some recipes if you want. You can decorate your recipes with these. Some more tags. So I made this a long time ago. I don't remember exactly where all the printables are from. So this is menu of the day. So cute, so cute. You can use all of these up in your journal, and this will come with the journal. So this is included. This pouch is included with the journal. If I just spread them out a little bit, I think this is going to close a little better. So it closes up like this. So here we are. Oh yeah, these 2 are left. I'll just put these envelopes. I packed them up. I sewed them up and backed them up with so it's a crinkly envelope. I backed it up with butter paper. So I'll just make this and put this in. I'll just do that off camera because I think the video is going to be too long. See you later. Bye.